that. That bolt in there. Right there. There it is. Okay. There's no top or bottom, just kind of goes on however. Doubt this one will go on any easier. Stop. That's in. Reverse order, put it all back together. There we go. Just need it a little bit. Like I said, afterward we'll re-secure that ABS line. Now we can do the fun part. Kind of makes me nervous. Basically just pull down on these brake lines. Get your extra length. Quick tip, when you're going to move this brake line, there's this one here, has a clip on it. You got to slide it forward before you can pull down on it. So that's what we're doing. Now we got room to pull down on it. Gonna do this zip tie and we'll have all the slack we need. Washer, lock nut. There we go. Okay, let's just tighten that down. That's pretty nice. I like it. So that's a 31 roughly. So that's a 265 tire with 3-inch. Looks good. Could definitely go a little bigger, but looks good still. It'll look even better once you get a bumper on it. On to that. First, you gotta take off the shock. These are 18mm. Gonna move upper bolts right there and right there. I don't know what size that is. Stuff. Let's go to the other side. Nice foam pads. That's a good spot for my knee. Okay, what do we got on here now? Guess we'll do this sway bar in there. This time. That's the next thing. Make sure you pop these loose so you get slack. Just goes up here, and there's one right here. I just undid both. So now we got all that. I'm going to need that anyways for the lift. That's weird. That's one thing. I thought they would mention this in the directions, but they don't. I'm just using a giant flathead for this. Gotta use two hands. Sure. Probably grab a pair of needle nose or something. That would be probably smarter. But I like making my hands bleed, so I'm gonna use this. Next, got this giant thing. This goes up like that. There's a couple, I think this goes up like that, and this goes here, or this goes on the inside, and then this bolt tightens up. I've heard this guy, spring retainer, and we gotta get it. I think we want it. Whoop. There we go. Above the frame. Looks good. So I got the extensions. Usually start one bolt with the spacer, and then put your shock on, and then put the last bolt in, and that'll hold it in place. Spacer in. Do. Check 17, make sure it's not it. Oh, it is 17. It's always a good time when they switch size of hardware on you. Alright, I think this side is pretty much buttoned up. Tighten that once the weight's down on it. That's it. Oh, it's practically falling out. Alright, time for the fun part, put the spacer back on. We gotta get this on top of the frame, drop it down in, and then that nut will be, yeah, it'll be in there like that. FYI, the nut needs to be up. If you face it down, your bolt's gonna be basically too long. So it's going to run out of threads when you go to tighten it, and then this whole thing's going to just wobble. So let's put that up there. There we go. I'll bear like that. Doing this, drop that bolt in there. Something like that. Alright, now we got the threads chased. So, let's just do a quick little there we go. That works. Okay. Aha, there we go. We got it now. There we go. Almost done. Got it.
You liking your new gym?
Okay. Alright, let's get this back here. Like that. That. Okay. Is it recording? There we go. Now it's recording. I can do my walk around. Ooh. Yeah. Makes the stock bumper look a little better. But that's going. So, yeah. There's the spacers up there. There's the brake extensions. There's the shock extensions. Brake extensions. Shock. Spacers. Oh, I forgot. I keep forgetting you put that bumper on there. So, got that new bumper. So that looks a lot better than the original. Kind of tucks it in. Looks good.